happy gay day and the start of Pride. Let's make something even gayer than what I usually gay. Doria, I'm in love with you. But Todoroki-kun, my heart belongs to Kachan. Well, too damn bad, nerd. My heart belongs to shitty hair. Oh, bro, I don't know how to tell you this, but my heart belongs to Denki. Oh, Kiri, but no, sorry. My heart belongs to Shinso. Sorry, Danks, I like Sero. Nah, fuck y'all, I'm straight. Bro. Fine, I'm gay for Ida. I'm gay for justice. Ida, we don't mean gay in a happy way. Oh my god, you're all homosexuals?